welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be reviewing this headband wig for you guys today. So thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video, you guys. So, oh my gosh, I love this unit so much. As soon as I took it out of the pack, I was like, yes. I know it's gonna be popping. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump right into me unboxing the unit and flat ironing it so you can get this exact same look. So that was the clip of me just unboxing the unit and flat ironing it and everything. I just went ahead and used my, this is a Sudo flat iron. I've had this for a while. I actually don't really use it because I don't really flat iron my hair. But this is actually a really nice flat iron. I think these are, I don't even want to lie to y'all and say if there's ceramic or titanium plates, but if I can find this, I'll link this down below. This flat iron is bomb. The Glam twins put me onto this. So yes, and you guys can see how gorgeous the hair is. Let me show y'all up close. So pretty. I actually really love it straight, but I do want to curl it for you guys because I never really curl, like I never really style my units when I get them. I just kind of keep them however they come. So this is how it looks straight. It's so soft. Your fingers just flow right through it, like period. No smell, like the color is great. The only thing I would want to do is maybe dye it if you want it to be darker. It's like a soft black, so if you want it more jet black, you're definitely gonna have to dye it, but overall it is super pretty, y'all. So let's go ahead and just jump right into me curling the unit. I'm gonna use my wand curler. Let me show you guys. This is the wand curl I'm going to be using today. This is just by Remington. I got this from Walmart, I believe. So really easy. I think this is like the 1-inch one, so the curl should come out super cute. So let's just go ahead and jump right into that. No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed. Y'all, oh my gosh, I am absolutely in love with this unit. If you don't go buy this unit, you're slacking, period. Like, you need it, like, especially for winter. Like, just the kinky, like, blowout type look is just such a vibe for winter. It's like thick and luscious, and it's just giving everything it needed to give. And y'all can see, like, it looks bomb straight. I did clip just a little bit off the ends, maybe like an inch, less than an inch, just because the ends were just a little too thin for me. So once I just gave them a nice little clip across, they look super nice and full. So I did do that. Otherwise, no other cutting was involved. I did not cut any layers or anything into the hair. And I did, you guys see, or you guys saw that I said I was going to use my wand curler right here, but I did end up using it. I haven't used a wand curler in a really long time, and I was just like struggling. So I was like, nah, bro, we're going back to my roots. Curl with the flat iron. That's what I really know how to do. So this is the only tool that I use today, flat iron, and use this to curl too. And you guys can see the curls are super cute. Now, of course, if you want like the tight spiral wand curled look, you're gonna have to use a wand curler. But if you want something just a little natural, something like this, you can definitely use a flat iron, sis. And the curls look so nice, and because it's a more kinky textured hair, the curl is going to hold really, really well. So if you do want to leave the curls in, you can spray it with just a little hairspray or something. I did not, just because I may go back and straighten this unit, I don't really know. But yeah, if you want to hold the curls, just spray a little bit of hairspray or something. But otherwise, y'all, bomb. Okay, absolutely in love with this unit. So definitely go out and get this one, you guys. I love it so, so much. And once again, thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. It'll be in the description box down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.